Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of pizza along with pizza sauce from the scratch. Take a large mixing bowl and add in half a cup of warm water. Warm water in the sense when you touch it, your fingers should tolerate the warmth in it, and add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it well and rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. After 3 minutes you can see the yeast is a little bit frothing out, and after 15 minutes it's completely done. That's the yeast is completely activated and it has risen up. Yeast has consumed the sugar from the sugar water which we mixed, and now it has risen up. The water left behind, you can use it. Add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add in some salt for your taste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it well first. Then add in half a cup of water. Make it into a nice dough. Knead the dough well. Tuck it inside like kind of a ball. Add in half a tablespoon of olive oil on top of the dough and just apply it on the top. Cover it with a nice muslin cloth or a cotton cloth and rest it for about 2 hours at room temperature. Meanwhile, let's make in the pizza sauce. For that, I've taken 2 tomatoes I've slit on top, and let's put it in the boiling water and boil it for about 5 minutes, and after that you can peel the skin. Cool it down and blend it into a fine puree. And now the puree is done. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a hot saucepan. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic, which is chopped very fine. Saute for about a minute until it turns golden brown. Now add in the blended tomato puree. It's been 5 minutes now in medium flame or heat, and the water has reduced well. Add some salt for your taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of thyme, a pinch of rosemary, a pinch of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well and cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes. And now the very flavorful pizza sauce is ready. You can also make pizza sauce in a big quantity and store it in the container in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Before the dough is ready, let's cut in some vegetables. It's been 2 hours since we rested the dough. Now it has doubled in size. Punch it well so that the locked air will come out. Now it has reduced in size as before. Knead it again. Tuck it inside. Dust some all-purpose flour in a oven-safe tray or a pizza pan. Spread the dough over it. Now we have spread the dough, and make some impressions on the sides so that the sauce and everything will not go out. Poke it with a fork so that the pizza dough does not rise up in the middle. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pizza sauce and spread it well. Meanwhile, let's preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit, that's 232 degrees Celsius. And now we have spread the pizza sauce all over it. And now I have some olives, onions and green bell peppers. You can add any vegetables you like. So next the vegetables goes in. Next goes in the shredded cheese. I've taken about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. I've taken Italian style 5 cheese blend of the shredded cheese. You can take any cheese whichever you like. Add some mixed herbs and bake it at 400 Fahrenheit to 232 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. And now the cheese is starting to melt and also the pizza is getting cooked. It's been 15 minutes now. The pizza is done. It looks so tasty and yummy. We can add any kind of vegetables or even the meat. You can add even the meatballs or goat or lamb or chicken or anything you like. You can add into it, and now the cheesy vegetable pizza is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.